I'm here today to talk to you about Google Drive and how to set it up to make it quick and easy to use seamlessly in your classroom. So first thing you want to do is get to your Drive. If you're at Gmail, you can use those little squares to get to your Drive. And then you want to click on the little wheel for settings. And underneath you'll see a Download Drive button. So go ahead and click on that, which will take you to this page. You can download it for your PC. You can see there's also a way to download it on your phones or iPads. They have it for both Apple and Android devices, as you can see, for your app. But for now, we're just going to set it up on our computers. So once it downloads, you're going to go ahead and click to run, and it'll take a minute to set up. And our goal here is to make it so that it is just like any other drive on your computer. So once you have started installing it, it'll get going. But this is going to make your life so easy because it automatically integrates with Google Drive Online. So it looks just like your document setting, for example, but what it's going to do is allow it to automatically back it up to the cloud. So once you have it all set up, you'll see it as a folder, just as Google Drive, and it will automatically first download everything you currently have on your drive to your computer, and then it will periodically sync to update. So as an example, I've pulled up a document here, a vocabulary assignment, and I'm going to go ahead and save it to my drive. So just under my favorites, it goes there automatically. I'm going to select my Google Drive. I'm putting it in my SBUTS folder just so I can find it easily, and I hit save. And that's pretty much it. I can go into my Google Drive and I can see that it's actually there where I tried to save it. It's showing up now. There it goes. And what it'll do is automatically back it up. I'm checking down on that little Google icon on my tray will show me if things have been synced. So I can go to my browser and go back to my drive and see that it's there. But it's uploaded as a Word document, and maybe you want to use it as a Google Doc. So all you have to do is right click and open it with Drive, and it will convert it into a Google document for you. This is taking a minute because it is a complicated document with all kinds of pictures. If it's just text, it's pretty much automatic. So now I have a Google document, and the reason this might be helpful is maybe you want your students to work on it online. Maybe you have a Google Classroom set up. So I'm going ahead and going to my Google Classroom, into my model classroom, and I'm going to create an assignment where I share this with my students. So I use the plus button, I create an assignment, I'm going to give it a title. This particular assignment is about the book Night and the vocabulary, and I'm going to select that it's vocabulary in the topic, and then I click on the little icon for the drive and find what I just uploaded. Now I want to make sure that I'm choosing the document and not the Word. It'll have a big W if it's a Word file. And I'm selecting to make a copy for each student. So that way every student gets their own. I'm putting a due date on there. If you don't make a copy for each student, then the default is that they can just see it, which means that they won't be able to edit it and make their own. By doing this now, I have easily saved my documents, and I have uploaded it without much effort, and now I'm able to distribute it out so every student has one. Pretty cool.